quickly and easily enjoy a hot cup of tea, coffee, or chocolate with this Pohl Schmitt Electric Kettle. Boiling water in under 3 minutes. The convenient kettle is safe and easy to use to heat water for cooking and preparing foods such as oatmeal, gelatin, and pasta. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One-handed operation, easy to use. The electric kettle can be turned on and off with a simple switch before lifting and pouring your next cup. Number 2. Built-in cable storage, keeping your kitchen counters neat. The electric kettle's base safely stores the power cable when not in use. Number 3. Borosilicate glass, resistant to scratches and scuffs. The kettle is made with food-grade borosilicate glass. The premium glass kettle features smooth surfaces and a wide mouth for easy cleaning. Number 4. Large capacity, holding up to 1.7 liters or 8 cups of water. Our electric kettle is perfect for fixing a cozy cup of tea to unwind with, or for preparing multiple cups of tea for your family and friends. Number 5. BPA Free. Our electric kettle is safely designed with a stainless steel lining so your water is never in contact with plastic. Any plastic component used is BPA free and will not retain odors for fresh, clean water every time. Number 6. Boil dry protection, providing peace of mind. A boil dry shutoff function protects the electric kettle in the event it is switched on without water. The kettle also includes an auto shutoff feature once the water has reached a full boil for 30 seconds. Number 7. The Purest Taste, made with the finest quality borosilicate glass which resists scratching and scuffing. Healthier than others because no plastics touch the boiling water inside, including the lid because we encase it in a layer of solid stainless steel. Number 8. Blue LED indicator. Know that your kettle is in the process of boiling when the light is on. The light ring concealed inside the glass is safe and durable. Number 9. Rapid Heat Tech. Water heats up quickly in 3 to 7 minutes. A great choice to replace your microwave, stove, or your old kettle. Perfect match for coffee, tea, oatmeal, pasta, and much more. Number 10. Eco-friendly. Save yourself from the health-associated risks of ingesting harmful chemicals that come from a kettle's loose particles. You'll be sure that what you'll get is clean drinking water that's safe for you and your kids. Only the best quality with Pohl Schmitt. We are here to offer you only the best quality products designed to make your life easier. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer support is here for you. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.